beautiful. Oh,
There's a small one.
nice shad.
Here, you want to put that or no?
Nice.
Right here.
Ooh, they like those green things. Woo! All right.
Yeah, thank you. Okay.
Wow. That's a nice one, no?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's very nice, yeah. I think it's about 1 pound.
About 1 pound?
Yeah, I think it's about 1 pound.
Nice. Beautiful. Got it.
It's very beautiful.
Oh, it's a big one. It's a big one. Just get ready. Oh, he's taking drag. He's coming. Come on, baby. He's right here. Caleb, get ready. Go over there. Go that way to the right. Oh, shit. Watch, you'll see him. Watch my line. Right here, Caleb. Get him. Yee-hoo! Yeah! Told you, baby. That's a keeper. Yeehaw!